Hello children, we are going to see Treasure Island chapter 16, How I Began My Sea Adventure. Let us see the summary of the chapter. That night both the sides rest. One more of the pirates who had been wounded dies, leaving only 8 left. Captain Smollett is also wounded. His wounds are serious but not fatal, requiring weeks of rest. Dr. Livesey slips out and sets off through the trees. Gray is shocked and tells Jim he must be mad, but Jim suggests that he is going to see Ben Gunn. Jim begins to envy the doctor, who is probably walking in the sweltering log house doing mindless errands. The older Jim, narrating the tale, acknowledges that his next moves are those of a foolish young boy. He plans to go find a white rock mentioned by Ben Gunn and the boat hidden beside it, a worthy goal itself, but not worth slipping out in secrecy. Still, he is only a boy, though a clever one, fills his pockets with biscuits to eat and sneaks out the next afternoon while no one is looking. Jim heads for the east coast of the island and finally reaches the sea, beginning to stroll beside the surf and enjoying the sea breeze. He catches sight of the Hispaniola with a jolly log of land waving and Silver and some of his men prowling the decks. Suddenly he hears horrible screaming. He is frightened, thinking of Flint, but then sees Silver's parrot, who is capable of mimicking anything. Thank you. The sun begins to set and Jim continues towards the white rock, crawling on all fours through the brush so as not to be seen. Almost at nightfall he finds it and discovers Gunn's homemade boat of goat skin. It's so small that it looks like it would barely fit a grown man. Jim thinks of the coracle boats of ancient Britain and thinks this is the worst version of the coracle he has seen. Then it crosses Jim's mind to slip out at night and cut the Hispaniola adrift so that she runs ashore, preventing the pirates from escaping to sea after their defeat. He sits and waits for full darkness and eats his biscuits. Finally, when all is back, he gropes his way out of the hollow, catching sight of 2 points of light, one a fire on shore where the pirates are drinking, the other coming from the ship Jim stunned it.